everybody, this is Eating Daily. Today I'll teach you how to fold a snowflake decoration and also any kind of Christmas decorations like this. And some of them we sticked it on there. And I'll teach you both of them. Decorations and how to make Christmas decorations like ding, like snowman over there. I will draw a dinosaur instead. Okay, now let's get started. How to make a snowflake. Chapter 1. First do like this. Next do like fold like this. Ouch. Now we got it. That's like this. After, now we are going to fold like this, and then like this, and you draw it like this. I will draw it other way. Like this. We'll use a gigantic scissors to cut them. It will be one beautiful snowflake. And then like this. Now I made all my cuts. Now let's open it. It's not even looks nice for me. Now it's spiky. Now it's like this. Bye bye, see you next time.